Hello guys, I'm Joseph, and for the full year I've been making videos about programming, and many people have asked me how they can learn programming. But most have failed and others have passed. But those ones who failed, it's not because they are not good at coding, or they are bad at learning, or they can't learn. Only the mistake is that they fail, or they fall into one or two traps. There are mistakes they make, and I wanted us to discuss about these mistakes to see that you can easily avoid or prevent them. Uh, most people, most people are disrupted by YouTube videos that are even off topic. There are videos that may take you off topic uh, about the thing that you're working on, but it's better if you're watching a video that is on the topic. It may be somehow good. um, you find lots of people that do get interested in useless videos. Another thing is that people do fall into tutorial hell. They find videos about coding, and you watch the whole video. At the end, you fail to do a project, you fail to practice it, then you go to the next one. That is turning to be into a tutorial hell. After doing or after watching a certain project, just go through it. At the end of it, do that project. Try to do some parts of that project. If you can't do the whole project, do some parts of that project on your own to see whether there is something you have picked. People, you'll never be good at coding until you write a long line of code on your own without help. Let me repeat this. You'll never be good at coding until you write a long line of code on your own without help. Most of the times you fail to learn coding not because you can't, just because you fail to focus. Focus on something. I believe you will make it. Build your own projects. If you have learned something within programming, build your own projects. In tech companies, you find that they will quickly interview a person having certain portfolio, or having maybe small projects or apps that one or that you have built, other than coming with your own resume. Your own resume, even though it is good, it's not enough to get you a software development job. But once you have some projects that you have made before, it will be an opportunity, and it will take you to the next step. So, finding a specific niche. When I talk of a niche, for some of YouTubers may know that, but finding a specific niche is finding something that you concentrate on. Concentrate on something other than going through everything. Most people say that being a good software engineer, you don't need to focus on only one thing. But sometimes I say that that's wrong. Sometimes I disagree with that. I say that if you focus on something, maybe React, when you're learning JavaScript and you focus on something like React or Angular, I will find that when a big company tries to recruit people in a certain part, maybe in a certain field like React, you will be on the front table, or you will be among the first. But if you go round learn each and everything, you will end up learning nothing. But do focus on one thing. I believe at the end you'll be on the front page. I hope there. I hope you have picked something. But another thing is that people fail to join communities. There are many more communities. You can go to Google and search for communities about software development, programming communities. There are common communities like Stack Overflow is so common, even though you just Google. The problem is that most people join communities and you go to a community for just a one day and run away. Most of people don't stay. For one day, you run away from the community. But if just make those people or that community your family, ask each and everything you wanna know. At the end, you'll end up picking something. So, I believe let's continue moving together. Hope if this video was so helpful, just give it a thumbs up or like, and if haven't subscribed, subscribe, and let's move together so that you're the first person to receive, or you can't miss any useful content. So hit that notification bell and I'll tell you each and everything that is coming up. See you in the next video.